Yo, what's good, Car Rev 3 fam? Buckle up, cause today we're diving headfirst into a beast that don't just kill streets, it owns them. Meet the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto. This ain't a regular supercar. This is like rocket fuel wrapped in Italian attitude. Under that slick, menacing hood sits a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 plus not one, not two, three electric motors in a hybrid setup. Combined, they punch out 1,001 horsepower and 793 pound-foot of torque. Meaning, when you mash the accelerator, this beast doesn't accelerate, it teleports. 0 to 60 in roughly 2.4 seconds. Blink twice and you're already gone. Top speed? Lambo claims over 217 miles an hour when configured right. But here's the wild part. Because of the hybrid setup, you can limp around city streets quietly on electric until you see red. Then when you hit gas, that V12 wakes up like a beast. It's raw, it's refined, it's hybrid chaos and beauty all in one. Slide inside the cockpit, and bro, if you're not ready for that carbon fiber sci-fi meets supercar layout, better brace yourself. Triple screen setup, driver plus center plus passenger, sleek carbon touches, aggressive styling. Inside feels like you strapped into a fighter jet before you even hit ignition. The body? Low slung, wide, sculpted to slice wind and attention in half. People staring? That's part of the package. When you pull up in a Revuelto, you don't enter, you announce your arrival. Price tag and real-world reality? Wallet? Check. All right, here's where it burns. This beast don't come cheap. The baseline price for Revuelto hovers around $604,000 before extras, but once you factor in add-ons, customs, and demand, you're playing in a different league entirely. So you pay big, but you get a hybrid V12 rocket that's rare, fast, and feels like owning a small piece of heaven on wheels. Who this is for, and who should chill? You want this car if you crave raw power plus exotic looks, hybrid supercar flex. Want to feel that seat-of-your pants launch, V12 roar, but still sneak around city once in a while. Don't care about fuel bills or parking nightmares. You live for performance and exclusivity. Maybe skip or rethink if you need practicality, cargo, family seats, comfort over chaos. Prefer low maintenance, fuel economy, or daily driver vibe. Hate attention or want subtlety. Lamborghini Revuelto isn't for everyone. Nah, it's for the ones who don't just drive, they dominate. It's old school V12 fury fused with hybrid future. Insane torque, jaw-dropping speed, and looks that'll shame half the city's supercars. If you've got the wallet and the guts, Revuelto will make you feel alive. But if you're looking for subtlety or comfort over chaos, trust me, even nice cars don't compare to this madness. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you ride this hybrid V12 rocket or nah? I'll catch you in the next review. Peace out, fam.